oli tata w'abaana bange ono bba wange kati bonna balina okuba nga basisinkana ono abeera n'abaana bo wootabeera kati olina okumanya ani ddala abeera n'abaana bange bwe siri mukwatagane mwina mukuza abaana bammwe. It's as simple as that. Tewali kyamaanyi byakutegeeragana kubanga era at the end of the day kyekiriwo bali baana be ate kati ono bba wange wampeta tosobola kuŋŋamba ate yabeera n'abaana be ebiseera ebisinga bw'otali ekyo nakyo mwekiri naye nga when actually for me the boss lady part when it comes to my family doesn't work. I'm just like I'm a wife and the mother of the kids. Dad Tifa twagala je naye ali mu America alina videos are shooting so decision nyinza gimanya lwaleero oba lwennyini olw'okumakya naye nga alina videos are shooting. Connection ya Tanasha Donna nange abaana baffe ba Uganda twogera nnyo bwe baba abaana basisinkanye twekubira essimu bali eyo kino nakiri so era nakera kumakya ne nga nina event mbadde njagala ojje oba toli busy nnyo nambuuza wa lunaku ki saawa nanga ngenda kujja. So at the end of the day Tanasha agenda kujja and we're getting the family together, why not? I'm getting my people together, you know. Yeah, so she's coming, she's gracing the event because we speak, we always talk about our kids, like they're coming to Tanzania, they're meeting their brother and all of that. I'm like, wait a second, I'm actually throwing an event. She's like, what, where, when? I'm coming. It was as easy as that. So Tanasha is going to be here and she's looking forward to party just like everybody else. So why party ekunganya abantu ababadde mu diaspora n'abali ku ground e Uganda nga bagala kukikuba omwaka gugwako owulira nti mbadde nkola nnyo nesanyusiza ntya. So why party kyekifo kyolina okujja ate why party n'ekirala wali abaana balina sente bw'obanga oli muwala oli eyo obadde ku kyeyo ekyo kikumenye nga byagaana. We have boys in Uganda kati abalina sente motoka muzirabye wabweru nga muze. It's like Europe, the Range Rovers, the everything. So mujje mwena tweyagale tubeere wano tusanyuke tweyozeke ennaku nga bulijjo byakusanyuka. Mbasaba mujje tuchakalire wamu White Party nga bulijjo. We're at Club Nonivier on the 16th ku Saturday. What time are we starting? We're starting around 6-5. Twagala tutandike leero mangu si biri byetujja saawa tula kujja 6-7 so ku luno nga 3 yakuba naye ntuse ku red carpet nga wendi. Tickets mweziri tagticketing.com. For table bookings mukebere posters zaffe zonna kweziri, we will host you. Abaleta sente nene miliyoni 4 abasimu message twazifunye mwagala mu butaala ennaku yalumira abantu mu nzikiza sente kati bazirira ku butaala nga nsenene bati tugenda babo spotlights. Your money, your access.
John Segawa Arts ne Buyu Studios ekutuusako omuzannyo amakula The Golden Calabash ekimala ebitaano. Subira okulaba ebyewuunyisa entuuko n'obukuubagano ebiri mu lugero olukwata ku mukwano obuyinza n'amaanyi g'obwa Katonda nga bweyoleka.
Chifu mukwawa akyali chifu mukwawa.
Tumanyizamu International Conference ku Healthcare and Social Work egenda okubeera mu June nga 21 paka 22 mu Ontario Science Centre 770 John Mills Road, North York on M3C IT3. Ng'omulomo guli nti Health in a Social Perspective. Oba ogenda kubeera International Delegate ojja kusasula Canadian dollars 4 ate Local Delegate Canadian dollars 3. Nate eno conference tesosola. Tujja kwaniriza bamaama, bataata, bakadama, babankazi, aba human resource, ba artisti, buli muntu akola mu bantu, betuyize ba social workers, ga mu healthcare, ba doctors, ba nurses, ba caregivers, ba RPN, ba counselors, ba ARN, ba PSWs, na bonna abantu abakola mu bantu ba social workers. Okumanya ebisingawo kuba plus 647 702 2922 oba plus 137 288 9862. Eno International Conference ya Healthcare and Social Work ewagidwa Nightingale Initiative for Global Health, Sweet Heaven, Brookside Staffing Agency, M&G Media, Ontario Science Centre, Nightingale Holdings Limited, era netegekebwa Global Events Canada ne Nightingale Initiative for Global Health.
Platinum Wellness Spa offers therapeutic massage services complimentary with sauna and steam bath for your full body cleansing. You can now get a Swedish massage, hot stones, sport massage, aromatherapy, salt ability hot stone therapy, Moroccan bath hammam, jacuzzi, and many more therapeutic massage varieties. We are located along Lukuli Road near Teletubbies Primary School, off Rumala Access, Kongebuziga. Call us on 0708 842 821. Platinum Wellness Spa, here to take care of you.
Amanya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Alihira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okwenjawulo. So olwaleero tuli wano eno nga tuli mukola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Wano eno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017 66992 ne MTN 0789224230. Enamba ezo zonna kweziri ku WhatsApp.
Morris Cakes and Events Limited bakola cakes eza birthday, okwanjula, baby shower, bridal shower, mu buli design yonna gy'oyagala, traditional cakes n'ebika ebirala. Kosa n'okutegeka emikolo ne girabika bulungi. Basangibwa wa Kaliga okumpi n'akatale k'aba veteran. Ku namba z'essimu z'olaba wansi awo ku call ne WhatsApp. Kola order cake kutuukako yonna gy'owangaalira. Mariam Massa mukyala muyimbi, mukyala muzadde, ayimba music, abuulirira ate azimba. Alina akayimba akapya bakayita eddembe ly'abato, omuli obubaka obukwata ku baana n'abakulu. Kanoonye ku YouTube channel Mariam for Children ne Facebook Mariam Music.
The event, I mean, we're always looking forward to, bowling. There's a lot of interactions. I'm the Bajam Novo Fumbo, by the way. People get to meet people, and before you know it, something beautiful is happening. So for me, it's just about the party vibes. And for me, this has always been something that I look forward to, because being in the diaspora, and we work like the whole year. So you're always looking forward to that one thing. What am I going to do? I'm going home, and what better way, to throw this for not just Ugandans only, for people coming in from diaspora. So I'm always looking forward. Like I said, it's not just a party, it's therapy. It's therapy.
Last year we were at Mujja.
Yeah.
What sparked the change in location?
This is a new spot in town. It's the most luxurious spot in town at the moment. It matches the Zari brand, and of course, Bel-Air. Getting tagged on top of this just makes everything like premium. Because when you mention Zari, it's just not a brand. It's like global, if you know what I mean. So partnering with Nonige was one of the best things we've actually done. It's one of the hottest spots in town right now. Yeah.
There's a poster I saw, and I was one of the people that was excited. I don't know how the language went behind closed doors. So I posted, and I think Joanne mentioned violence. Tanasha Donna is coming.
Yeah.
How did this happen?
We're getting the family together. Why not? I'm getting my people together. Yeah. So she's coming, she's gracing the event. Because we speak, we always talk about our kids, like they're coming to Tanzania, they're meeting, their brother and all of that. I'm like, wait a second, I'm actually throwing an event. She's like, what? Where? When? I'm coming. It was as easy as that. So Tanasha is going to be here, and she's looking forward, to party just like everybody else. Yeah.
So, of course, it's fashionable, red carpet, everybody wants to stand out, they follow your Insta, they're inspired by the fashion. Everybody's pulling out a hat or two.
Yeah.
What fashion advice do you give people?
Being the Zari All White Party, let me even remove the word Zari. Zari All White Parties were started way back by Puff Daddy. They were very luxurious. Like, people turned up, people dressed up, It was a way of showing, like, we're showing up, we're spending, we have money, we're here. So I'm expecting people to turn up, like, really looking the part. You don't really have to be rich to look rich. But you can still look rich. So we just want people to turn up and you're like, damn, did you see that? Yeah.
We have media, cameras, bloggers, influencers, people in the building. I'm sure they are burning. I want to ask those questions. I think it's time that I open up the floor. Why don't we start?
Before you start,
Okay.
can I just have one more thing?
Okay.
I just want to give a big up to all the sponsors.
Oh, yes.
Especially Luke Belair, coming through for us.
Always.
Double Barrel
Thank
coming
you.
through for us
Yeah.
every year. I want to say special thanks to the Sheraton Kampala our accommodation sponsor.
Yeah.
I need to say big up to NBS, our media partner.
Yeah.
I want to say thanks to all the media houses though for coming through, and thanks to Noni Day, our hosts.
Yeah.
So yeah, just wanted to say that before we open up the floor. Thank
So
you.
let's open up the floor to the questions, Q&A, those burning ones.
naye nze nyine ndi kadama byafuluma ewaabwe n'agenda ku kyeyo kadama. Yeah. nga tudwadresinga bakadama. So why party ekunganya abantu ababadde mu diaspora n'abali ku ground e Uganda nga baagala kukikuba omwaka gugwako owulira nti mbadde nkola nnyo neesanyusiza ntya. So why party kyekifo kyolina okujja ate why party n'ekirala wali abaana balina sente bwobanga oli muwala oli eyo obadde ku kyeyo ekyo kikumenye nga byagaana. We have boys in Uganda kati abalina sente motoka muzirabye wabweru nga muze. It's like Europe, the Range Rovers, the everything. So mujje mwena tuyagale tubeere wano tusanyuke tweyozeke ennaku nga bulijjo byakusanyuka. Esente general tickets za mutwalo 10, then tulina ttebe za million 2 nga zituuza abantu 4, tulina ttebe za million 4 zituuza abantu 8, kujirako Bel Air, kujirako Gold Reserve, then ne entrance ebeera included mu ezo packages. So tickets tuzija ku tagticketing.com, that's tagticketing.com. Then we want to need the posters of it posting on all our socials, kuliko number for VIP reservations. Nga lwaki nedda gwe teekamu 10 ogyeyo akakadde. Bala bali wano bazere sente zaabwe. Connection ya Tanasha Dona nange abana baffe ba Uganda twogera nnyo bwe baba abana basinkanye twekubira essimu bali eyo kino na kiri. So era nakera ku machane ngani na event mbadde njagala ojje oba toli busy nnyo nambuuza wa lunaku ki saawa nanga ngenda kujja. So at the end of the day Tanasha agenda kujja and it's only love. So it's only love. Tifa twagala je ne ali mu America ina videos are shooting. So decision nyinza jimanya lwaleero oba lwennyinyi kumacha nga ina videos are shooting. Oli tata abana bange ono bba wange kati bonna balina okuba nga basinkana. Ono abeera n'abaana bo otabeera kati olina okumanya ni ddala abeera n'abaana bange bwe siri mukwatagane mwena mukuza abaana bammwe. It's as simple as that. Tewali kyamaanyi. Byakutegeeragana kubanga era at the end of the day kyekiriwo bali baana be ate kati ono bba wange wampeta. Tosobola kuŋŋamba ate yabeera n'abaana b'ebiseera ebisinga bw'otali. Ekyo nakyo mwekiri naye nga when actually for me the boss lady part when it comes to my family doesn't work. I'm just like I'm a wife and the mother of the kids. Yeah.
Zari adilited Shakib. How is that?
Nageno realizing since my Netflix erinyange ligenda likula. So my pages njagala nzi customizing ngaza more about Zari the brand. Kubanga ebiseera ebisinga my personal life egenda ne interfering with my business and my brand. Kuba nimwe ebintu bingi. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm an entrepreneur. Nina lino lye mwampe lya socialite ero nayo sirimanyi kati waliwo wosanga nga kino kya affecting akiri. So I need to pull out certain things, but it has nothing. Shakib and dropping zone is actually outside nature unit chilling. So I'm with him. I'm just trying to see how do I maintain my brand without really putting in a lot of personal life. Yeah.
I was seeing this party featuring the season of African
when we're shooting Young Famous in African, we sign NDAs, which is non-disclosure agreements. We are not allowed to say a lot of things about that. So.
Sorry, I think Shakib has not seen up to
yeah. Sewanga yali akafadde sembe zadde account zamulaba ne white party yasirikamu emyaka wajali 3 I think, because things were not the same. Era waliwo ne Facebook posts zange oluusi bengamba Semwanga yafanidde December. you can all agree to disagree. But Semwanga yafane December. Yainanga chiri nti akitekamu nnyo abantu mamotoka mapya biki kati nawe nabavanga Sweden London baina bamanyi twewerera gundi tumusanga naye kati vibe yafa. He was like an inspiration. It was like a motivation. Nti buli muntu yatunuliranga Semwanga gyali abana bwe babeerayo bakola kino nina okola ennyo ngende Uganda nga nina akajacket spending. Right now people are like so mu bufunze Semwanga yafanidde December ne let us say tujja gitwaliriza mpola.
Kwenga ina pata batyo bali every December musuga mtujja kubanga batayagala okufuna December ina.
Nze nganze kusaidia abakyala I'm doing everything I can. Kati tukyalinawo bakyeyune tulinamu abana balina ssente be balina kati okuzza faye eyo ku ludda lw'abasajja. Naye nze nga Zari white party and party day ekyagenda mu maaso and that's the reason why we're here today. So I'm doing my part.
Bakyeyune wababikka.
Ate ntya.
Bafubutukayongoze.
Kyeyuna abeera mugwa tatambulibwa. Kyeyuna abeera mubaala buli lunaku n'azirya mwali.
Abatomode ku bya parties. Tulabyeko abaana b'omukibuga. Wabaleese wakola leseyo n'omuntu oba bali ne Mr. Rutaya mu mama.
Abaana bali waka. Abana ekisooka bato, so being that bali abakulu they decide where they want to go kati si kyalina control nnyo naye bano being abato ate ngenda kulwawo ku wano nabadde sobola kubalekayo so they are around.
Mmere kibasinga okunyumirwa okwagala eby'Uganda.
Matooke ebinyeebwa.
Kyokka ng'okera ku makya n'ogiba.
Nze sigera ku makya kumba nakola dda ssente zukka kulya mmere nga bagifumbye dda bikooya nabikola dda kati byantama tabisobola. Nfumba bwange mufumbira naye abaana naatandikira abakozi baba bakomi.
Bintu by'okuwaata ebyo bisobola.
Olw'enjala nnyo ebyo mbeere wange nkola videos ku Snapchat era mba nfumba nwaata byonna with my nails. Baye tubuze biri related ku party. Si matooke na binyeebwa. Ne boda balinye ne ku boda. My son feels like it's an achievement. He went on a boda and had the best time of his life. Chatalangako.
So as we wind down,
yeah.
We have this one, Mr. Ali. When we came in, I saw the parking is a bit smaller. What is going to happen on that day? Where are the people going to come there?
So we have extra parking in Forest Mall. Did you see the golf carts out there?
Yes.
Those golf carts will pick you up from Forest Mall and bring you to the venue. So once this parking fills up, guys park at Forest Mall, and then we have those golf carts bringing people in. All about luxury, my friend.
Exactly. I mean, it's lots of layers. Sorry.
People need to go to Zari.
Ennyumba wagiyingidde oba?
Ebyo mubirabire ku snap. Snap yange eri open ya buli omu. So guys, just to wind up this.
Amanya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Alihila Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okw'enjawulo. So olwaleero tuli wano eno nga tuli nkola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Wano eno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017 66992 ne MTN 0789 224230. Enamba ezo zonna kweziri ku WhatsApp.